Hello everyone, welcome to Tips and Tricks. In this video, we're going to see how to fill the application form for GATE 2020. And before we start, I would really appreciate it if you could smash that like button, drop me a comment and share this free program with anyone who might need it. We know that IIT Delhi is conducting the GATE examination this year. So going to their official website, I have given this website link in the description box below. So click on the GATE online application portal. So it is asking us to log in if you have already registered, but we haven't registered. We are a new user, so we have to register first. Click on this. Give your name, middle name and surname. Make sure you give them correct because this is what will appear in your admit card and scorecard. Confirm and then give your details like email address. Confirm the email address again. Give your country and your mobile number. Finally, choose a password. Make sure the password is at least 8 characters long and has a number in it. Solve the arithmetic expression and click submit. Now we have registered. Now we have to log in. Now to log in, we can either use our email address or enrollment ID. To get our enrollment ID, go to your mail. In that you will have your enrollment ID. Copy paste it again and then type your password. Solve the arithmetic expression and click submit. Tick the box and start filling the GATE 2020 application form. Choose your stream minus civil engineering. Next, choice of examination country, India. Then the choice of your examination city, whichever is near to you. Next, coming to applicant's personal details, give your name, email address, mobile number. Make sure you give the correct email address and mobile number because you have to verify them in order to pay the amount. Then give your date of birth, the gender, nationality, category. If you are a person with disability, you have dyslexia or any other learning abilities, then your address, the state where you live, and select an ID proof. I'm going to select my college ID. I'm going to give my register number. Next, the name of the parent or guardian, their residence and their phone number. Next, your address. Give your PIN code, country, state, address, etc. And then comes your qualifying degree details. Give the details of your college, your registration number or roll number. The qualifying degree for me it's BE. The discipline for me is civil engineering. And next whether you have graduated or not. I have graduated in the year 2019. And the degree awarding university for me it's Anna University. And the college name, as you start typing you will get your college name. Next, we have to upload the documents. Firstly, the photograph. They have given the maximum and minimum resolutions, pixel resolutions. So according to it, choose a file and upload the image. So my photograph was uploaded successfully. Next, to upload the signature, make sure you draw a rectangular box of size 2 cm by 7 cm and then inside it draw your signature. You have to resize it to the required size asked. So I have a small tutorial here. Open your signature. Here I am opening one random image. And the top left corner you can see the option called resize. Click it and make sure percentage is highlighted. Select some percentage, here 25. Then look at your pixels. It will show you how much pixels you have. And then if it is not sufficient, again change your percentage. Check your pixels and again if it is not sufficient, repeat again until you reach your required pixel size. and then click OK and save. And now I have uploaded my signature also. Next, we have to upload our eligibility document certificate. So for this, you have to choose a PDF file. So in case the PDF file doesn't match the required size, I have given the link to some websites where you can convert it online. Since I'm a passed out, I'm giving my provisional certificate here. In case you're still a student in some institution, you have to get something called the eligibility document. Take a printout of it, fill it, and get signed from your HOD. You can upload it to the application form by scanning it. Next, where did you first come to know about GATE? Know your source of information. Mine was internet search. And then tick the box again. Save and view the application if wanted. If not, submit and proceed to payment. So this is like any other online payment. You can choose any of the banking methods you want. Since I'm a girl, my application fee was 750. If you're a boy, it will be around 1500. Again, solve this arithmetic equation and wait for the payment. You can choose any of these things: net banking, card payments, other payment methods, and you can complete your application process. In case you have any doubts in filling the application form, reach out to me in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you. Bye.